Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to record using Loom extension. Here are the simple steps to record using the Loom Chrome extension. First, install the Loom extension. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Loom for Chrome. Then click Add to Chrome. Then hit Add Extension. Pin the extension. Click the puzzle icon in the top right of the Chrome and pin the Loom icon for easy access. Log in or sign up. Click the Loom icon. Then, make sure to allow permission to use your camera and microphone by clicking Allow while visiting the site, and sign in with your Google account or email. Create a free account if you don't have one. Click the Loom icon to launch. Open the site or tab you want to record, then click the Loom icon in your toolbar in the top to reveal the Loom functions. Choose recording type. Select from full screen, window, current tab, camera only. Choose to record your full screen, a specific application, or a Chrome tab. Check camera and mic settings. Ensure your microphone and webcam are set correctly using the drop-downs. Toggle system audio. Enable include tab audio. If recording a tab and you want to capture its sound by following the next step, click Start Recording. A countdown will appear. Here, you can toggle on Share System Audio and you have to click what to share. So click on the screen, then hit Share. After that, click on Start Recording again, and your recording begins. Finish and save. Click the Loom icon again, or the stop button to end recording your video. Will auto-upload to your Loom library, where you can rename, trim, or share it. And that's it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.